This conference will now be recorded.
Thanks a lot. So in the last class, actually, we couldn't like complete the hiring process due to multiple logins issue. So again, I am going to explain the same today also, but these guys didn't give the access yet. Rajesh or Abhilash, anyone you there?
Hello?
Rajesh,
Yeah, Priyanka.
access is, tenant is not available here. Do I need to log
Yes,
up?
yes, yes. Please close the browser and I'll tell you how to access it.
Yeah, manifest file is missing. Okay. In Workday, the manifest file will plays an important role, especially for data migration and all. We used to have manifest files. So this is also one of the terminology that we used to have from Workday software partners. So this is the organization where we are in exactly. So today we'll see actually one of our employee has to join. Where is top level management? One guy was in unavailable to hire, right? So that guy came here, Richard Vincent. So he joined here because we have given the date of joining is today itself. If you see the profile of him, see this is the profile of Vincent and this is the email employee ID and under so and so organization he is, and what is the date of joining today itself he has joined. Okay, so like this we used to get the profiles and all, and coming to access and all, security administrators will provide the access part. And we are in the part of creating the another part, right? What is that means? We need to do hiring with compensation part. So go to organization, create one more position, same CEO. It can be accept. If you want to create one more position with same CEO also, it can. Go to related actions, go to staffing, and create a position. The position request is for any reason you can take. The same position I am going to take here. So today itself I am going to give the details, because this is the practical thing, right? That's why I am taking the existing dates for to see the result here. So normally we do have the dates and all in the business requirement. Location, for what is our location actually? Pennsylvania.
Texas.
So I'm going to take USA. casual employee, and this is not a critical job where we do have our process already. Submit. So Logan is the HR partner where she has the access of self approval, so she approved accordingly. And go to staffing here and come down. Before going to do the staffing process, please check the role. 1 second, guys. So here please check whether the compensation partner is there or not. So before going to start the hiring process, please go to assign roles, because we need to assign the compensation partner here, and again recheck with all the business process definitions too. So I'm going to give to Teresa Tesserano. Say OK and done, and come here and check the compensation roles. So Tesserano is there. Now please go to staffing. Before going to fill this position, please check the business process definitions of hire. So here, if you want to see the business process on your organization, BP colon and GSS. See, there are two things are there. One is for position and another one is job. Click on this, not this one. So click on this business process for top level. Come here. So this is the step. So once you enter the candidate details, it will go with the, I would like to change this order. So once I enter, fine, no issues. I would like to add the HR partner role also. So there is no role with HR partner. Please go to assign roles. Please roles, assign roles. HR partner already there, Logan is there, right? So fine, no issues. Say OK and done. And now please go to the staffing and fill the position. go to hire employee. The process will be same. We need to follow what it is. Existing pre-hire or create new pre-hire. So if you have access, you will get, if you don't have any access, that time you can able to see this create a new pre-hire and existing pre-hire. This former worker will not get. Say okay. For now, the source is like from recruitment agency. So many company name you can provide here. So these guys are not, actually these guys are employees only. So we will take this referred by means if any referral that you are going to give the option here. And Mr. Stacco Ballani. Actually, he is my colleague. Sorry, contact information. So I'm not going to give any address here because I don't have the contact details of the candidate. So please give email ID. So if you have address, you can give. But we have to provide all the contact details in this process. Okay, save okay. And here, see, it is going for next approval process or to review the process. Hire date is today itself. The reason is nothing but either rehire or new hire or anything you can take to fill the vacancy, because we have selected the option called understaffed. Come down. Awaiting for compensation. We'll see once you click on the submit, as per the business process flow, why it is not taking the compensation. Actually, it should go to compensation part, but it is not going to compensation part. So what is the reason? There is no particular reason to say. Because already clearly it is mentioned here in the hire process, it should go to so and so compensation. This process it should follow, but it is not following. What is the reason for this? And we have done with this process also. We will edit this, then we'll call to this. Here we will add Teresa details, because here no details are available, right? So that is also another reason. So edit to review the compensation, to add the compensation details, action. So what is that? Review compensation hire. So please give to compensation partner. Okay, actually we didn't give any authorization to enter the details, so that's why it is not coming here. So it is directly approving for hiring process, because Logan is the head of the compensation. Now please do rehire again. Please go with another position creation like CTO or something, or any position if you want to create like CFO, CEO, CSO, like that. You need to create the job profile and job related compensation and everything you have to create. So we already created for CEO, right? That's why I'm taking that example only. So if you want to create more means you need to create different compensation parts. I am going to fill one more CEO because I have the details of only compensation related called CEO only. Sorry guys, my internet was disconnected. Where I have stopped? Kiran? Hello? Is my voice audible? Hello?
Yes, it is.
Hear you. Yes, I
Kiran
can
is
hear
not
you.
there. Okay. No.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah. Where I have stopped? Here itself or any other?
Yeah, here only, here only.
Okay, fine. So you guys have to assume like that we are hiring different another position. Okay. Because of compensation part, I am going with the same position itself. So we can hire like this with number of positions. Because based on the country. So country is differentiating part here. So under job group, so we have to select the candidates for same location, for same experience and for same everything, but here we can able to change the location part. So job family, so now location I will change to anyone. Full time and worker type is employee and subtype your wish, regular or casual or anything. Now submit and done. We have created the position. Under the same, go to staffing. So once position will get open as unfilled. So you can go here to unfilled. Go to hire employee and create a new pre-hire. Any employee has referred current employee. So Rohit Sharma is one of the user in Workday. Not real Rohit Sharma, just a fiction employee. Jennifer Patra. Go to contact information. So we used to provide like normally in Workday we used to provide like US names, US names only. I mean like English names only most of the times. Why? Because means our most of the clients are there in US, UK, and Australia itself. In India, very rare, few companies have only opted for Workday. Remaining are in process. Say OK and give the hire date is today itself. Fill vacancy and profile is and now we'll see. Submit this here. No, something is happening here. There is a access issue is happening because from our side and whatever we are working as perfectly. After this submitting the task, it should go to Teresa, but there is a access issue is going on here. I don't know why it is not happening. We need to fill the compensation to the candidate. But anyways, let me try from here. You can give from here also, no issues. Pay. No, we need to give from here itself only, but it is not able to. Actually, the process is not following here. There is some security issue is happened. Okay, what I am thinking is this guy is not having the access to follow the business process. Still, we are in Logan McNeil also. The access is not allowed to do the performance of adding the compensation part. Why it is not happening? Only the access issue is there. There is no another reason because we are following our process exactly. So either the candidate Richard Jones doesn't have the access. Who is this Richard Jones? What's his name exactly? Start proxy. If he is not derived from Workday, if that candidate is derived from our side, so this guy will not have the access. That's what. This guy is not from Workday. So Workday derived employee is not. Either Rohit Sharma, fine. So from this guy, it will not happen. So that is the reason why we are not able to complete the process. These guys, the tenant access have been changed because he is not from the global modern services. So that is the reason. If you are working on behalf of also, you cannot able to perform the action. What should I do for now? These guys has to change that. So this is like customized user created by another training guy, like me and like any other trainer. So they have created this ID. This ID is not created by Workday. That's why there is no security access to complete that action called compensation part. So only higher part is taking care. The compensation access is not there to this employee. So what to do means, assign roles, add user based, edit start proxy, view roles, view security groups. See, it is not happening. So to view his details also, it is not accessing for that. This guy is not from Global Modern Services. So he is a pre-hire guy, and he is from like a KSO Bangalore. I mean, like on behalf of Rohit Sharma, they have created this. But anyways, we'll see. With this access, we cannot able to perform this type of actions and all. And moreover, that it is a risk to the tenant also. So only view access is coming here too. We need to assign the security group called compensation partner. If
This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, sorry guys, my power in my home power gone. So I connected from hotspot. The issue is nothing but this ID is created by like manual itself. This is not with having all the access. See here, if you check for, so what are the groups are available? Compensation administrator, categories and so on. So compensation partner access is not here in this Richard James user. So that's why we are not getting that process to be done. The compensation part, how to add the compensation grades and how to provide the salary, these things and all not available. If you want to, if you try to add those also by having Logan McNeil access also, you will not get the taxes here to add those.
So Priyanka, can we add the compensation part using a different user? Can we do that? I mean, basically half
That's
of
what
the.
we are in. No, we are in on behalf of Logan McNeil itself. She is the head of human resource. From her
Okay.
also, it is not happening. Why? Because means basically this guy is not having that access here. He is this whatever the login name is there. That guy is not in the group of security called compensation partner. So that's
Okay.
why
Okay.
the existing on behalf of candidate also not able to perform that action. First of all, we need to have the key to look into your room. So we are in your house only, but there is no key for that particular locker.
Okay.
Okay, that
Understood.
locker is compensation partner. Here there is no access to add that as well. Here we used to add that. Here we used to get assigned security group. That access is not there.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, but we'll do one more process. That is my trial actually. So in this tenants we do have as usual, but here it is not. Edit the business process of compensation hire. Come down. We'll see whether this, instead of this compensation partner, if you can try for a compensation administrator. So we have this compensation administrator. Say okay, let me try. This is a try. Done. And go to the roles actually. And here also please change the role called compensation administrator. Go to related actions. Go to roles and assign roles. Say okay. Instead of compensation partner, please try to add what is this? We'll try because here in this roles, the compensation partner is compensation administrator is not coming. He is accessible for the compensation administrator security group, but the role was not assigned. So I don't know whether I change the security options. So what will happen? I will ask organizers also to look into this issue, because with this it is not possible to continue further in technical also, because there are no accesses. Again, one more day is leaving. Assign user based security group we can, but role based we cannot able to. Why? Because means we don't have that security process. Only security administrators can able to, who have the admin access of complete this tenant, they can able to add that role called compensation administrator in the roles. But anyways, we'll try one more. Now here we are not getting that roles here. Compensation administrator. So these are all unfilled roles are available. So this is not the process. I'm sorry guys, actually there is no access to explain the process of compensation. So actually organizers should speak to the tenant providers. With this we cannot able to explain that. I'm really sorry for this. I'll talk to Deepak once, Joseph. So he needs to check with the tenant providers, because this is not the tenant which is from like a direct workday. So this is like a created by one of our user. That's it. So without providing all the security access.
I've already taken this with Deepak. I've not heard anything from Deepak, Priyanka.
Didn't get you?
I've already raised this concern with Deepak, but I haven't received any update from him yet.
Okay, I'll check with him. Maybe he will be busy with some other. So I just check with him.
Okay.
Okay, because I too don't know about that thing. So I just check with them and I'll get back to you on this tomorrow.
Sure.
Because the process is going fine, but the thing is like there is no access to proceed with the next step called compensation. That is the main important where we need to look into. Okay.
Sure.
So I will see.